Last one. Wait.
इसके साथ आ जाओ। All the best.
Indian na Dada Gashi. So look at the camera. Pose, look at camera.
Pose.
Look at camera. Look. Kita long. Yeah, cut it. Down those.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. You would be getting again and again. So this is a small token of appreciation.
Thank you so
This is
much.
for the hard work, persistence, and resilience, all of it put together. And it is 100% your mom's dream that has come true today. And I
you
know
so
from the time I
much.
think she was 5 or 6, she was very clear that but she's a lawyer as well. Yeah. So that's really.
Thank you so much, Aunty.
The power of when I saw the message, so I was like, this is the power of visualization. This is the power which I'm getting goosebumps. She told like when she was 5, 6. Like,
வணக்கம் என் பேர் தீபா ஆத்ரேயா. I'm here at the Style Bazaar exhibition by Sheetal Jain, and I don't know, this is her nth edit. Anna, I've seen her work so hard in every single edit and make sure that it gets better and better and better. We are so blessed and honored that we are here today. I still remember her first few edits, how hardworking she is, and that hard work is never ever stopped. She makes sure she gets the best of the best designs, the designers and the people here. In the Mari collection, you don't get it outside anywhere, honestly. So, and that's the beauty of Style Bazaar. That's why so many, even now you see so many women who are just coming in just for Style Bazaar, and this has become a statement event in Chennai, and we are so blessed and excited that Kamakshi has been invited to inaugurate the Style Bazaar, and she has been Sheetal's little baby, and today it's a very surreal moment for us. And Dr. Hema Malini Rajinikanth, the State Director of Miss Universe Tamil Nadu, is right here. Without her, she wouldn't be who she is. And,
so can we know from Miss Hema Malini, so how is the journey?
This side.
Hi, this is Dr. Hema Malini.
Shrikant, State Director of Miss Universe Tamil Nadu. First of all, thank you Sheetal for this invite because I am been seeing as well your Style Bazaar every edits. It's always been amazing. Fashion I think starts from Style Bazaar, I would say.
Thank you so much.
Actually, so as Deepa said, இங்க இருக்கிற collection வெளியில கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்காது. Even I have been multiple times and we are happy that Kamakshi Athreya, who is a winner of Miss Universe Tamil Nadu 2025, and we are so proud that இவங்க இன்னைக்கு inaugurate பண்ணது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடா இருக்கு, and it's her first public appearance, and you are doing great, Kamakshi. You do well and we are always there to cheer you. So Tamil Nadu definitely in their placement Miss Universe India varunu nambikkai engalukku irukku. Thank you so much.
So what is it?
So for next step for this is grooming. So grooming is very important when it comes to any pageantry, especially from Tamil Nadu. ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணி போகிறப்போ நிறைய க்ரூமிங் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எல்லா ரவுண்ட்ஸ்லேயுமே அவங்க வந்து பர்ஃபெக்டாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ அதுக்கான க்ரூமிங் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ க்ரூமிங்னா வெறும் அவுட்டர் க்ரூமிங் மட்டும் கிடையாது. ஆல்சோ Q&A, கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஷீ இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி குட் அட் இட், பட் still we have to keep refining it, and இது தவிர நிறைய ரவுண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அவங்க நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் அப்படின்றது ரொம்ப ஹார்டாக இருக்கும், and she is ready for it, I guess.
Yes.
Hello everyone, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேரு காமாட்சி ஆத்ரேயா. I'm a 19-year-old law student, model and a social advocate. I'm so thankful to Sheetal Jain auntie for bringing me here today to inaugurate this wonderful exhibition, because I remember ever since I was about 6 years old, I've been around Amma and auntie all the time, and her fashion sense was always on point, like you can see today. But she's culminated that into a wonderful exhibition, bringing the best of the best designers, best of the best brands, jewelry, anything that you want. This is the place in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, and I would say all of India, because it's a one-stop shop for everything that you need. So I'm very happy that I was called to inaugurate this wonderful exhibition. I'm so grateful, and auntie, I wish you all the success, all the happiness, and I only hope for this to get bigger and bigger, because that's how you've been such a hardworking person.
Thank you.
Making sure every edition stands out.
Yeah,
So
and
thank you.
Thank you so much, all of you all, for making this what we are today. And Kamakshi, wishing you all the luck and blessings for this new journey with the most wonderful Dr. Hema Malini. So both of you all wishing you great luck. And Deepa, you must be so proud, and she'll make us more proud. That is for sure. So see you all at Style Bazaar exhibitions, which is happening on 20th and 21st of May. As we promised, as our jargon went, it will be the coolest exhibition this summer. You can see already the weather is the coolest.
Yes.
So looking forward to see you.
The person hosting it is the coolest. Yeah.
2021 of May at Hyatt Regency Anna Saleh. Please be here to shop for your summer wardrobe, for your weddings, for your festivity. Everything is there. See you all here. Thank you so much.